First of all, let's create our bridges. Go to the bridge page, bridge, take the bridge. We have one bridge here. Let's rename it and put the name according to its network IP address. 192.168.880, like this one. Okay, let's press plus. Let's name it 10.19.11.0. Second bridge 172.16.60.0, and the last bridge 192.168.3.0. Okay, we have created 3 bridges. According to the plan, next step is to assign the port to the bridge, to the corresponding bridge. But first of all, we should do the following. In order our MikroTik to not block us, to not drop us, we should go here to the interface list, and as you can see, we have a LAN. We have only one bridge, which is a member of the LAN. We should add all of the bridges to the LAN. If I don't add the new created bridges and directly assign my bridge to my ports, for example, if I have already created 3 bridges, my PC, currently my PC, is connected to this port number 2. Port number 2, I have created a bridge called 10.19.11.0. If I assign this bridge to this port, so MikroTik will drop me. Why? Because this bridge is not a member of the LAN connection. In MikroTik we have a firewall which blocks any connection from outside of the LAN ports. So since the member of LAN network is only one bridge, default bridge is a member of LAN network, we should add just created new bridges to the LAN network as well, in order for router to accept our connections from any bridge. So first of all, I should go to the plus, press plus, choose LAN, and add this bridge, then this, and the last one, this one. Okay, connected. Now I should go to the bridge ports and assign port to the corresponding bridge. Take the port as an 2 and assign it to bridge 10. Okay. Okay, the system will drop me and reconnect again because I connected to this port number 2. Okay, I connected back. Okay, Ethernet 2 now belongs to bridge 10.19.11.0. So take this port as Ethernet 3 and connect it to bridge, bind it with bridge 172, and take this port, bind this with 1930, this bridge. WLAN1 stays on this bridge 88. Clients connecting via Wi-Fi will connect to this network. I don't touch it. Okay, now I have created bridges, assigned port to bridges. Now the next step is to assign IP addresses to these bridges. Go to the IP addresses tab, IP addresses, and let's check this configuration. Okay, press plus, network 10.19.11.1/24, IP address of our bridge. This is network 10.19.11.0, and I should assign this IP address to this bridge. Okay, it's done. Assign the second IP address 172.16.60.1/24. This is IP address of this bridge. 172.16.60 network, and assign this IP address to this bridge. And the last bridge 192.168.3.1/24. 192.168.3.0. and this bridge. Okay, I already assigned IP address to the bridges. Now I should, for our clients, in order to connect to the network and get IP addresses automatically, I should create the DHCP pools for our clients according to each bridge. So I should go to the IP and go to pool section. Let's rename this pool. Pool underscore 192.168.0.0. Let's rename it. Let's create new pool. Like this. IP addresses. Our clients will receive IP addresses in this range: 11.20 to 10.19.11 to 100, for example, like just like this. Okay, new pool for this network. It's just the name of the pool. 20 to 100. Done. And the last pool. Free 20, 102, 168, 3 to 100. Pools are done. Go to the IP DHCP server, DHCP. Let's check this server. Rename it server 192, 168. Just rename this. Go plus 10.19.11.0. Assign this DHCP server to this bridge. DHCP server assigned to this bridge, and using the pool from here, this pool. As you can see, DHCP server, this bridge, and this pool. Okay. Again, for the different network. Zero, this one, and this pool. Okay, and the last one. 0, this, and this. Done. And here's the last option, networks. Here's the networks, as you can see. Let's add our networks. Which gateway our guests, our clients should get as a gateway IP address, which IP address they should get? 10.19.11.1. And which DNS servers? For example, Google's DNS servers. Our clients will get these IP addresses as a gateway 10.19.11.1, as a DNS server 8888. Okay. This 172, 16, 61, and like this one, and the last one. One 2 168 31, of course, and these DNS servers. Done. Everything is done. Let's check. I'm connected to the CLC. Let's clear this up. I'm connected to the port 2. Let's unplug and plug this cable back to this port. Ethernet 2. Let's ignore this. I don't need it for now. Let's check our IP address. IP config. As you can see, I have an IP address from the network 10.19.11.0. My IP address 200. The DHCP server in the MikroTik, they share IP addresses. They assign IP address to the clients beginning from the end, from the last IP address. So the IP address of my gateway 10.19.11.1. This is exactly the IP address of the bridge. How can I see which DNS IP address I receive? IP config /all. I can see I have this DNS IP address of the DHCP of the Google DNS servers. DNS servers 8888. Okay, and of course I have an internet connection. Ping google.com. I have internet connection. Let's close the screen. Let's connect to the third port. As Ethernet 3. Ethernet 3 port. Let's see which IP address I receive. IP config. As you can see, I receive IP address 172.16.60.200. My gateway IP address, this one. And of course, I can ping google.com. Let's clear this again. And let's switch to the last port, Ethernet 4. Ethernet 4, and let's see which IP address I have. Let's wait. 192.168.3.200. Gateway 3.1. Perfect. Let's ping google.com, and it's pinging. If you want to support our channel, you can donate using the address on the screen. The link is also in description.